Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Christine and I've been wanting to do this introduction video for the longest time and I've been postponing. So yeah, finally here we are and I'm glad you're on board. I'm glad you're already here. I want us to be talking about lifestyle basically. So that's food recipes, baking, trying out new stuff generally, uh, DIYs, trying out beauty stuff at home, story times, lots of story times. So yeah, I'm glad you're here. Karibu. So today we're going to start out with making masala fries. I love potatoes and everything potatoes, especially when they're fried. They're the best. So today I'll try out making masala fries for the first time. It's not really the first time because of the time I did it like several years ago and it was catastrophic. But I saw a really nice uh, video recipe on TikTok. So that's the one I'm going to try out, and I'm just crossing my fingers that all will turn out perfect. This is the food. It looks really good. Let's try it out. Mm, that's really good. The spices came out so nicely, but the only issue is the onions. So since I used too many onions, it gives it actually used two onions. So maybe try and use one small one. But it's really good and I hope you guys try it out. and tell me how yours comes out. Yeah. So finally did the first video. So see you guys in the next video. It will probably be a story time, so you don't wanna miss it. Bye.